Do you snore like a chainsaw or suffer from brutal sinus pain? Then you need to see this bizarre chiropractic treatment that is taking over the internet. A doctor literally slides a tiny balloon deep into your nasal cavity and suddenly pumps it with air. It looks absolutely terrifying, but this crazy technique instantly forces open blocked airways, wiping out snoring and sinus pressure completely. Would you actually dare to try this? Tag that one friend who snores loud enough to wake the dead in the comments right now.